The KGS Geological Survey was established in the mid-1860s, so it has a long history of studying natural resources in the state. And so as we move into this time when we're faced with rising CO2 levels as a result of burning of fossil fuel, of burning of the tropical rainforests, which by the way are the lungs of the earth that remove CO2. We see CO2 as a pollutant, but we're also now viewing it as a commodity.
The Department of Energy has been supporting carbon management research for over 25 years. The KGS Geological Survey is actively engaged in this work and has recently joined forces with 15 other states and groups to support carbon management research and try to implement this technology on a national scale.
It can actually be utilized and consequently cause a net reduction in CO2 in the atmosphere. There's two directions you can go. One would be to utilize it. The other direction is to permanently store it, in other words, to sequester it. The KGS Geological Survey is in a really good position for both of those. The use of it, we understand the nature of CO2. We also have a great understanding of how CO2 may be stored beneath the surface.
So we're looking at the reservoir model, and this reservoir model is telling us what quantity of pore space we have down there. We're using scientific approach to get all the data from the field, from well logs, from seismic interpretation and others, and combine this data to create this very rigorous reservoir model to remove the guesswork from our estimates and from our confidence in that we can store the CO2 underground safely and securely.
I think that industry can look to us as to how the CO2 might be utilized, how it might be stored, how it might be transported. Given the fact that we're a neutral party in this, that we can be trusted to provide good advice, the science behind CO2 sequestration, utilization, we're really in an excellent position to address these sort of policy issues as well as working with private industry in moving this commodity forward as the technology evolves.